Good morning. It is Friday, June 4th, 2021. Please stop by our webpage, perfectstormtrading.com. You can click the links on the menu bar or any of the three big blocks for more information on our trading book and products. Visit a quick link to our YouTube page over here where we have started to accumulate a lot of videos now. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Let's go back to the Astro Excel trend chart and pick up where we left off with yesterday's video. Here's the Astro Excel chart. I put a vertical line in from where we made the video yesterday. You can see here we had started tracking down where the green and blue line were tracking down together. We got this sharp move into that low. Right here, the blue line tracks down, and as the blue line flips, so does the market right there. We also get this short-lived but sharp move up on the green line. That's giving it this upward energy here. Then we make this little M-type double topping pattern right at the peak of the blue line, and then we drift down into the afternoon before we make a reactive move up here as the blue line turns up again. So then we had a little bit of the lines bucking each other here, and that's got the market moving a little sideways. But right now we're at the point where both the lines are going to be turning down pretty much for the bulk of the day today. So we've got downward pressure on the Astro Excel chart. Let's bring the Vedic chart in here and see what we've got going over there. Okay, late in the session yesterday, we did get a new low here from the prior gray window in this white timing window on A2. That's signified right here. And then as we got into the new day after 1700, we had this bright green timing window, and that continued to pull the market down till it bottomed out right here. And then we got the reactive move back up, and now we're into a couple of bearish zones here and one contradicting bull zone there on A2. And where this is green here and this is red here, this is the area of the flat line. The dominating factor has been the blue line on the Astro Excel. But coming into this now here, we've got these overlapping windows later today after 11 o'clock. But with the bearish pressure that we have coming, we're going to be a little bit more bearish than bullish. We're still in these two bearish windows. We're in the B1 or B2 all day, and then B1 we move from bearish right before the open. So we could trade down, get a bounce, then the overall pressure will be down for the day. Would expect some sort of low to come in the white timing windows here sometime from 11 o'clock on till about 2:50 today, and then that white and bright green extends into the close today. So yeah, we're gonna get downward pressure mostly. We'll get a reactive move in here, and then we'll probably push down to a low, most likely into this area here. It could be a high, but most likely a low. We'll see how that plays out. Let's see what we got for timers today. Here's the pH. Let's see what we had anything projecting from overnight. We had an early low last night, 2036. That pattern repeated at 157. Kind of minor. Then the overnight high was right here. overnight high was right here in the purple hour, light purple segment. It's going to come back over here. First move of the day, not much. Okay, we've got a long trigger right there, which is active right now. The important segment point, 1022, those have been pretty good spots lately. And then our afternoon triggers coming in around 211. And the last one at 1522. Nothing else I'd really project off of the overnight. So we'll just leave it at those two. So that's what we got going today. Mostly down pressure. Expect a low this afternoon between 11 and 2 or so. And that's it for today. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow. We'll see you then.